Hi, I'm Iqbal and this is Joanne. We're from Livescape, one of Southeast Asia's largest event management companies. Come with us and we'll tell you more. We're in the middle of organizing one of our biggest events, It's the Ship, Asia's largest festival at sea. We've attracted a global audience of over 12,000 people and counting. This year, we aim to up the ante as It's the Ship is turning 5.
Imagine throwing an event the whole world is interested in. We have to constantly think about how we're going to update our subscribers with all the latest information and news. That's a lot of time and a lot of people to target. GetResponse allows us to personalize a unique journey for each of our subscribers based on their preferences and their needs. GetResponse's segmentation feature helps us save time by choosing the most relevant subscribers for us to reach out to. That's literally 1,000 things checked off our list. Since our subscribers come from all over the world and are in different time zones, the GetResponse time travel scheduling function ensures that they receive our emails the minute they wake up. Another feature that's really useful when it comes to learning more about our subscribers is the A/B testing feature. It helps us understand what our subscribers like and what they don't like.
Although we have such a huge audience, we're still able to cater to every single subscriber we have, thanks to GetResponse flexible functions. With GetResponse, everyone can get the results they want! Yeah!